Hey there, tech aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a true marvel of engineering, the Apple 2023 MacBook Air, equipped with the groundbreaking M2 chip. This laptop doesn't just redefine power and portability, it redefines innovation itself. Let's jump right into the details. Design. Prepare to be amazed by the sleekness of the MacBook Air. Crafted from 100% recycled aluminum, it's not only stunningly beautiful but also environmentally conscious. The laptop's thin and light form factor is an engineering feat, effortlessly merging aesthetics with practicality. Display. The centerpiece of this marvel is its spacious 15.3-inch liquid retina display. With 500 nits of brightness, support for a billion colors, and P3 color gamut, your eyes are in for a treat. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or working on creative projects, the vibrant visuals and stunning details will leave you spellbound. Processor. The M2 chip takes center stage, boasting an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. This dynamic duo delivers a powerhouse performance, allowing you to breeze through tasks with ease. Multitasking, editing, and even light gaming, this laptop handles it all without breaking a sweat. Memory and storage. With up to 24 GB of unified memory, your MacBook Air is primed for multitasking prowess. Switch between apps seamlessly and watch as your productivity source. Paired with 256 GB SSD storage, you get both speed and space for all your files and projects. Graphics. The M2 chip's GPU prowess is a game-changer. From graphic-intensive tasks to creative projects, the visuals are crisp and fluid, elevating your overall experience. Cooling and silence. What's even more impressive? The fanless design that ensures your laptop operates in silence. This elegant engineering feat keeps your laptop cool without generating any noise, no matter how demanding the task. Keyboard and touchpad. Typing feels like a dream on the backlit Magic Keyboard with full-height function keys. And with the addition of Touch ID, accessing your laptop and secure apps is a breeze, just a touch away. Connectivity. MacBook Air's versatility shines with a MagSafe charging port, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and a headphone jack. This range of connectivity options ensures you're well-equipped to connect with various devices. Camera and audio. Video calls will never be the same again, thanks to the 1080p FaceTime HD camera and the impressive 3-microphone array. And with the 6-speaker sound system and spatial audio, your movie nights and music sessions become truly immersive experiences. Battery and performance. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. With the power-efficient Apple M2 chip, you can expect up to a whopping 18 hours of battery life, keeping you productive and entertained all day long. Software and compatibility. This laptop runs macOS like a dream, optimized to make the most of the M2 chip's capabilities. Plus, thousands of apps are optimized for Apple Silicon, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience. AppleCare and warranty. And don't forget, your investment comes with AppleCare, extending your coverage and ensuring your peace of mind. Conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Apple 2023 MacBook Air with the M2 chip is nothing short of a masterpiece. Its blend of power, elegance, and innovation will leave you truly impressed. If you're ready to take your tech game to the next level, don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your own MacBook Air from Amazon. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling tech insights. Catch you in the next video.